Let's install Netmiko and Paramiko library. First of all, let me elaborate about both of them. That Netmiko is a library which makes easier for us to interact with our network devices such as routers and switches, whereas Paramiko is a library which helps us to automate some generic SSH tasks. So let's install both of them. The command is pip install Netmiko pip install. So let's wait till it gets installed. It's very easy to install both of them. Just have to give pip install Netmiko and pip install Paramiko. Getting downloaded, right? Okay, so still downloading. Let's wait till it gets download. So Netmiko is installed successfully here. So now let's install our second library, which is Paramiko. So command is pip install Paramiko. There are very simple commands. Paramiko, right? Let's hit the command. Let's wait till it gets downloaded. Okay, so here it is already downloaded for me. It's showing that requirements already satisfied. So we have installed both the libraries, which is Netmiko and Parameko.